Hi, today I am doing some candy and some treats to have for Memorial Day weekend. So I'm just going to dip some strawberries. I know this seems like a really simple kind of thing to do, but I have had people ask me a couple of questions, and so I wanted to answer. When I'm using a type of strawberry, I like the larger ones, but I dip the ones that are not as dark. And so if they're really deep red, those are naturally going to be a little sweeter. And so I don't dip those. I leave those fresh and I dip the ones that may not be quite as ripe. Basically, I'm going to wash and dry my strawberry, and I'm going to follow the instructions on the chocolate wafers, which is typically to heat from 30 seconds to 45 seconds in a microwave, stir, and then you can dip your strawberries and place them on parchment paper or wax paper, depending on what you have. You're going to let each strawberry dry, and there you have it. You have your fresh strawberries. The next treat that I'm going to make are actually Rolo pretzels. And this type of candy is simple, very, very simple. You're going to start with basically I have used Snyder's pretzels, and they're in the little cute squares, so I like those. And I lay those out on my parchment paper. I'm going to take Rolo, the chocolate and caramel candy, and literally place one candy Rolo on each pretzel. I'm going to bake for 3 minutes on 350 degrees in the oven. And then I'm going to take it right out. Once it is starting to cool, I'm going to press another pretzel on top of it. Now, a little chocolate will kind of squirt out a little bit. That's perfectly fine. I'm going to leave that for about 5 minutes and let it harden. And the sweet and salty taste of pretzel and caramel makes it a nice candy. And so this takes about 5 minutes. It is really quick. So if you have dipped strawberries and chocolate caramel pretzels, the Rolo pretzels, you're set for a few different kinds of treats for this holiday.